Today I'm happy to introduce you Varjo Base 4.13. This release is packed with new features and improvements that will take your mixed reality experience to the next level. We also recommend this release to be used with our new refreshed XR4 headset series. Let's dive in. To start, we have night mode. The purpose of this feature is to simulate night scenario in your training. We do this by applying a night-like shader in our video pass-through feed. As we know, most of the training in defense sector is done during the night. And instead of you adjusting physical lights in your environment to dim the whole scene, you can now press a button in Varjo Base and you get the same effect. By dimming the physical lights, it will introduce noise to a video pass-through. With the night mode, you can get exact same feeling without compromises in your video pass-through clarity. Secondly, I'm happy to introduce you, hand tracking is now out of beta. Varjo internally developed integrated hand tracking uses video pass-through to track your hands. As you might know, hand tracking is mostly used to track your hands, but more importantly, it's used to interact with virtual world like virtual buttons. You can get access to our hand tracking via OpenXR. We support all 26 landmarks and all OpenXR gestures like poking, aiming, pinching and grabbing. We would be happy to hear that hand tracking is part of your workflows, and we are happy to hear your feedback. Then we have two new improvements in our video pass-through feed. First, we have new color tunings. With the new color tunings, we have better contrast, better noise levels during dark, and blacks really look now black. And this results to more clarity when you read text and a general more pleasant experience of the video pass-through. Second video pass-through improvement is adjustable video pass-through field of view. This is specifically designed for the new refreshed XR4 Focal Edition. With the adjustable field of view of video pass-through, you can now have optimized training scenarios where the top part of the field of view is virtual and bottom part is video pass-through. By adjusting it even lower, you are now getting full capability that the XR4 Focal Edition can provide. Then, as a usual suspect, we have improved inside-out tracking. As you might already know, inside-out tracking has been one of our core improvement areas in 2025. Now we are including the whole field of view of the inside-out tracking cameras, and this means that we can track features more accurately and more stably than ever before. Finally, last but not least, we are introducing a new dark color theme in Varjo Base. For you who would like to have a more darker UX, we hope this will be a more pleasant experience for you. This was the main topics of Varjo Base 4.13. We are happy to hear your feedback. And if you want to hear more, please go to read our release notes. We have a bunch of other things that we have done for this release, and we are here to listen to you for future releases.